Conquistador, your stallion stands in need of company, and like some angel's hallowed brow, you reek of purity. I see your armor-plated breast has long lost its sheen, and in your death mask face there are no signs which can be seen. And though I hope for something to find, I can see no maze to unwind. Conquistador, a vulture sits upon your silver shield, and in your rusty scabbard now the sand has turned to sea. And though your jewel-encrusted blade has not been plundered still, the sea has washed across your face and taken of its fill. And though I hope for something to find, I can see no maze to unwind. And though I hope for something to find, I can see no maze to unwind. Conquistador, there is no time, I must pay my respects. And though I came to jeer at you, I leave now with regrets. And as the gloom begins to fall, I see there is no only all. And though you came with sword held high, you did not conquer, only die. And though I hope for something to find, I can see no place to unwind. Though I hope for something to find, I can see no maze to unwind. And though I hope for something to find, I can see no maze to unwind.